Did you know a custom case adds value and longevity to your products and helps enhance your brand? Royal Case can help you build the right product that helps sets you apart and helps you compete. Our sewing division is based in Texas and is where we create OEM bags, holsters, duffels, backpacks, and many other soft sewn items. Get your products stamped with Made in the USA branding and get your items delivered faster. You can also choose to import your goods from any one of several countries to help lower your cost of manufacturing. We have also been helping companies move their production from one country to another for over 35 years. In addition to soft sewn goods, Royal Case Company offers plastic manufacturing services. We offer injection molded, blow molded, roto molded, and vacuum formed products in many standard and custom sizes and colors. We offer thousands of combinations that help give your company the competitive advantage you need to succeed. Royal Case Company produces thousands of standard and waterproof long cases every month and is the brand owner for Condition 1 hard cases. Royal Case is a popular OEM manufacturer for manufacturers. Whether you're looking for plastics, soft sewn bags, or even custom ATA road cases, our design and engineering department, along with our warehousing and logistics services, allow us to offer a complete product development lifecycle, which gives you more options and flexibility when developing your products. Thousands of companies worldwide trust Royal Case Company to produce their products. We've thought of everything with regards to manufacturing your products. Now all you have to do is think of us for your next bag or case project. At Royal Case, we know that if you don't succeed, we don't succeed. We want to partner in your success. When your company chooses Royal Case, we're greater together.